welcome to my home.
I hope you're all staying safe and well. We're here today to bring you a little bit of joy.
Today I'm going to be making a very simple recipe you can make at home during this isolation period.
And what are we gonna do?
Cook. I'm kind of been using whatever I have in my store cupboards at the moment.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. We're going to go and eat this now.
Hi guys, so now that we all at home, and with all these things going around, I thought why not share my recipe that reminds me of home. So today I thought why not make Githeri for my kids. So this is a recipe that I made when I was at the Maasai village in Amboseli when I was filming for my series Return to Kenya. It's basic, simple store cupboard ingredients that you need. So I've got kidney beans, sweet corn, a bit of peanuts, onions, olive oil and a bit of spices just to jazz it up a bit. So I'm kind of been using whatever I have in my store cupboards at the moment. So you need about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and then together with that we just need about, I would say, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then you just need to saute the cumin seeds to make sure that it kind of releases all the spices. So this is a recipe that I kind of made for the children as well at the school, and these are the times that when you kind of want happy things in your life. So that's it, and then while that's roasting away, I'm just gonna chop half an onion. You can roughly chop this as well. So if you don't have onions, you can use garlic, you can use ginger, whatever's lying around in your fridge at the moment. So it's just about improvising and going along with what you have. Kind of half an onion, roughly chop this. You can use the red onion as well. There you go. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be just sauteing it till it's about golden browning color, and then just jazz up the heat a bit. So this is what I've been doing at home, trying to cook new recipes, trying to improvise with what I have, trying to get a bit of exercising. But I think during these times it's very important to be healthy and quite nutritious, basically for your mental well-being and your physical well-being as well. So now this is about to cook. You just need to have it a bit of golden brown. I'm just going to add a bit of, like a couple of cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. And I've got this dried chilies, but if you don't have any dried chilies, you can always use chili flakes. So it's just trying to give a bit of spices to this dish. Normally this dish is just made with boiled kidney beans, sweet corn and potatoes. So I'm just not using potatoes today, just using kidney beans and sweet corn and a bit of peanuts to bring in the bit of proteins in it. And then I would normally add ginger or garlic into this dish as well, but today I don't have that. So kind of just add in, I'll say a tin of kidney beans, and let that cook for a bit with the onions. Now you will already smell the spices coming through. At this stage, I would just add a bit of turmeric, about, I would say, 1/4 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and just let that cook. I'm going to be adding the sweet corn at the last few minutes because I want to have that crunchiness, and then just saute it around, turn it around for a bit till you can see that it started to become a bit drier. Add in a bit of peanuts. So I'm going to be roasting the peanuts in the same pan. So this is kind of a 1/4 meal. And when I cook this for the kids, at the school, they absolutely loved it, and just to see their smile while they were eating, it was the best day ever for me. And this is a dish that my mom used to make as well in Kenya a lot. So it's kind of like a traditional dish that I have grown up eating, and I thought this is kind of what makes me happy. And now, just I would say about half a tin of sweet corn. So now you can see that there's a lot of like color in this dish, the yellow, the red, and the peanuts. So it just brings a smile to your face. This is a very, very quick dish that you don't need much cooking, and you can actually make this well in advance and keep it in your fridge as well, and take it out as and when you can want it. You can either eat this hot or cold. Now, if you have a bit of lemon, then you can add a lemon to it as well, just to make it a bit tangy. So I'm just going to grab a lemon. Because I like my things to be a bit citrusy. Just about like half a lemon would do, but my lemon is quite big. So I'm just going to squeeze it a bit because I want it to last. And then, at the very few last minute, I'm going to be adding the garam masala. So this is basically coriander powder and cumin powder. But if you don't have it, you can always omit it. So the best thing about this dish is, it's very versatile. You can just eat it or do it as with whatever spices you have. And then, I think this is almost done. I just want it to be a bit drier. That's it. So now, just going to move everything away. Get a bowl and just simply tuck in. And what I'm going to be doing is just going to be putting a bit more peanuts because I want the crunchiness to it. And that's it. Voila, guys. All done. So this is a very easy recipe to do while everybody's at home. So this is my stay-at-home recipe for Planet Eat.